Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on RHEL Linux 10. Okay, the process is same on all RHEL Linux versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to torproject.org. This is the official website for Tor Browser. Hit enter, click on download or click on download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See here, this is zip file. Once download completes, then we will unzip this one. Then we will execute the Tor browser. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls, unzip this one, tar-xf, then tar, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter, ls. See, now go to this Tor browser folder. cd Tor browser, ls. Now execute this file, // then start, then press the tab to autofill entire Tor browser desktop file name. Hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opening. See, you got the Tor browser. And if you want to connect manually, you have to click on connect. And if you want to connect always automatically to Tor, you have to turn on this one and connect. It is up to you. Then verify the version. Go to these three horizontal bars, help, then about Tor browser. See, we have installed Tor browser 15.0. okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser latest version, that is 15.0 on RHEL Linux. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.